Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fishing pole toy is probably one of the most fun and engaging toys for children, offering a unique blend of imaginative play and skill-building activities. This video will dive deep into the exciting world of fishing pole toys, exploring their features, benefits, and what to look for when choosing the perfect one for your little angler. Number 5. CozyBomB Magnetic Fishing Toy. It's more than just a toy. With various sizes and colors, it's a fun way to learn about ocean animals. This helps develop hand-eye coordination, color recognition, and even math skills. It's great for kids aged 3 to 6. It's designed for kids to play together, or even with parents. It's perfect for interactive playtime and friendly competition. The strong, durable rods with powerful magnets make it a realistic fishing experience. They're ideal for water tables and pools. Try it out for 30 days. We're confident it will become a favorite toy for your child. What we like. It has various fishes, perfect for learning and playing. It's designed for kids to play together or with parents, making it a great family game. If you are looking for an educational and interactive fishing toy, this is the one for you. What people say. Got these for our 2-1-2-year-old nephew. Think they would work for a significant range of developmental stages. Everything floated well. You can easily pull them under the water, then release and they will sort of flutter up to the surface, which gives a nice lively effect. The storage bag was super handy and even works as a net to scoop them up from the water when you're done playing. The fishing poles were sturdy and they were able to catch fish in our Sea of Galilee stock trough. The magnets on the poles fasten securely to the water animals. Number 4. Zebco Splash Kids Combo. It's a fishing rod and reel combo designed for young anglers. It's lightweight, easy to use, and even floats. This combo features a tangle-free design and push-button mechanics. The oversized handle makes it simple and fun for little hands. It's sized just right for kids aged 3 to 5. The bright colors and durable fiberglass rod make it both stylish and safe. It comes with a casting plug for practice on land or water. It's great for building casting skills and catching fish. It has all-metal gears for a smooth retrieve and an anti-reverse feature for a solid hook set. It's pre-spooled with line, so you're ready to fish right away. Zebco has been creating outdoor adventures since 1949. This rod and reel is covered by a 1-year warranty. What we like. This fishing rod is designed for young children, with tangle-free features and an oversized handle. It's lightweight and durable, and it even floats. If your child is a beginner angler, this is a great option. What people say. This little kiddo fishing rod is smooth and easy to cast. Purchased the first one for my 2-year-old and my 4-year-old likes it so much that I had to go back and purchase another one for her. It actually worked well and my kids caught fish with it. It's a fun fishing pole that is easy to use for kids. A really fun pole that my 2-4 AMD 6-year-old boys can easily use AMD cast and love to play with even when pretending to fish in the yard. This fishing rod and reel combo is one word, fantastic. It has a smooth action and casts really well. The little fish trainer it comes with has been great for her practice. And if that's not enough, it floats. Number 3. Learning Resources Fishing Set. It's a fun and educational fishing set for young children. It helps develop important skills while sparking their imagination. This engaging toy encourages imaginative play and improves hand-eye coordination. It's a great way to boost fine motor skills. With its built-in magnet, it makes catching the fish easy and fun for little ones. They'll love playing with it all day long. The complete set includes a tackle box, vest, fishing pole, fish, worms, a net, and an activity guide. Everything your young angler needs. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a fantastic way to make learning fun and engaging for kids. The tackle box is generously sized at 13-inch L x7W x6H. It's built to last through countless hours of imaginative play. What we like. This set includes everything your child needs to enjoy imaginative fishing fun. It helps develop fine motor skills and encourages creative play. If you're looking for a comprehensive pretend play set, this is a great choice. What people say. The fish have built-in magnets that allow the fish to attach to the fishing rod. All around great toy. Magnets on fish are concealed and fairly strong. The small fishing net allowed for an extra step in catching the fish, prolonging the fun a little longer. Complete kit, comes with tackle box, vest, activity book, rod, 3 fish, 3 worms, and a net. The reel is simple enough for my toddler to use. The pole is a nice one-piece construction and she is able to catch the fish with it very well. Number 2. VTech Jiggle and Giggle Fishing Set. Get ready for underwater adventures. This fishing set is packed with fun and learning for your little one. Reel in 7 sea creatures that wiggle and jiggle when you catch them. It's a magnetic catch, so it's easy for little hands. Watch it light up to match each creature's color. It even sings songs and says fun phrases. With 3 play modes, it teaches about animals, colors, and numbers through songs and melodies. It's educational and entertaining. When you're done fishing, everything stores neatly in the bucket. Cleanup is a breeze. It's designed for little hands and big imaginations. Remember to use new batteries for the best experience. Keep it away from water to ensure its longevity and your child's safety. Enjoy hours of playful learning. What we like. This fishing toy features 7 sea creatures that light up and play songs, making it both fun and educational. It's perfect for younger children who love lights and sounds. If you want a toy that combines entertainment with learning, this is it. What people say. It catches the fish using magnets. It also says the number on the fish and other info, depending which animal you catch. It does recognize what animal is caught on the line. Very cool toy. Good quality from the animals to the rod. This toy surpassed my expectations. When you catch the fish, it wiggles on the hook. It sings a song when you catch a fish. It is so fun, even for an adult. The fact that the pole vibrates when a fish is caught makes this exciting for kids. Very interactive. Number 1. Melissa and Doug Catch and Count Game. It's time for some fun with this exciting fishing game. With 2 magnetic rods and 10 colorful fish, it's perfect for solo play or sharing with a friend. This isn't just a game, it's a learning experience. It helps develop hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and problem-solving abilities. It's challenging enough to keep kids entertained, but also easy enough to build confidence and self-esteem. Watch them grow with every catch. Looking for a great gift? This fishing game is ideal for children aged 3 to 5. It's also a wonderful complement to other Melissa and Doug products. For over 30 years, Melissa and Doug has been creating high-quality, imaginative toys. This game is a testament to their commitment to enriching childhood play. What we like. Made of high-quality wood, this fishing game is both durable and visually appealing. It's perfect for solo play or with a friend, and it helps develop hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills. If you value quality and educational benefits, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It comes with a spinner for more structured play, but the set as a whole could be repurposed for any sort of learning imaginative play. Kids can practice colors or number recognition, or just have fun with the magnets. It comes with a mesh bag that makes for easy and quick cleanup. It teaches hand-eye coordination, colors, numbers. There are multiple ways to pay so you never get bored with it. The fish are cute and very solid and the magnets seem well in place. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.